is up, chat? Man, today we are back, and today we are reacting to a BTS video. Yes, I'm excited to react to this. I haven't reacted to BTS in a little minute, but you know, you guys put me on to Sauce all the time, bro. And today you guys put me on to Airplane Part 2, man. And I'm with my boy, yo, Bob. Hey, today he's learning BTS. He doesn't know anything about them.
This is my first time.
He has no idea what's gonna happen, man.
Bro.
You know, I had to put him on. Since you guys put me on, it was only right I put him on. So let's get straight into it. Yes, sir. Okay, I like the beat. I have a question.
What's up?
Based off the 30 seconds so far, what do you think are right now? Like, what's your opinion?
I mean, it's like very like jumpy and like up at you. You feel me? It's like energetic. Gets you up, gets you moving.
Okay, I like
right?
that. Yeah.
You're a singing star, you're a singing star, but a single star. Same word. 세계 주대가도 호텔 나이 못 사겨.
I'm not gonna lie, with BTS, bro, with BTS, it's like their dance moves and their songs, it automatically gets you lit. It's like, you can't, like, when you're sitting still, it's like, you're not really connecting with them in it, bro.
좋아 다른 나한테 힘나 줘 RM 미치고 다시 인기 가다 나한테 맡은 날 Dark light 다시 라니까 다가
Oh, that's hard! I'm not gonna lie, BTS with their dance moves, bro, it's like, you can tell they take their time with it. It's like, it's not rushed, like, everything makes sense, you know what I'm saying?
I do.
Hey! Okay, little aesthetic change, okay? Hey!
Yeah.
Come on, fire, bro.
Come on, don't count me. Come on, toast the sashi. Come on, only playing. Come on, like a fading. You don't know it, maybe. I'm more on the joke, you'll do. My lady, what's your sister? In my kimi, like, kimochi, you can't get through. On the point of sky, so tell album more. My worry, what off, that she's why I like more. Kono mama has to keep, she kono seki kara naga meru, yotora, oh.
Hey! It sounds like a yeah, this is a really good gym playlist song, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Like, if I was listening to this, bro, while I'm in the gym, it's gonna push me harder. I'm not gonna lie. Leg day, yeah.
Leg
day, bro.
셀레브 아스프리나다 얕은 올해 탑1 아니면 그와트 나이
Where are they at? What's so fire, bro? Fire, right? That's fire, bro. Why they always horrify me, bro? Okay, what's about to happen next? poses that little aura farming. Okay, okay. Okay. Chat. I'm not gonna lie, bro. We really gotta talk about this video. We gotta talk about this, bro. Let's talk about this, man. I'm not gonna lie. Honestly, what I really think about this, it's like, genuinely, it's more like, yo, it's like more of a shocking point. It's like, I really don't know what's going on, but I'm messing with it. Really. What you think?
I agree with that. I see what you're saying.
And this is first time seeing K-pop. So what you think? What you think? What you rate it? Right now, I honestly think that it's like a 9.7. You feel me? Usually they're in different areas, so it honestly makes it more crazy. But I think this is like a 9.7. What you think?
I mean, I like that it had the different little tempo changes and whatnot.
Mm-hmm.
Why is it not a full 10 out of 10? Why is there what takes
honestly,
the point, what takes the 0.3 out of your 9, like, you know, out of your
honestly,
full 10?
honestly, nothing. I'm not gonna lie.
So
it's just
it a
that
10?
it's just I'm really used to like them being in like 5 different areas every video. So, but other than that, honestly, it is a 10. You could really just say it's a 10. But unfortunately, guys, this is the end of the video, chat. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and tune into the Twitch, man. We always be live. And if you want to see them raw reactions, man, you should tune in. But other than that, man, I'll be catching you. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.